Hey there, and welcome back. Today, I will discuss 3 remote job options with you where you can work from the comfort of your home, and one of them is a global job. So let's dive right in. Abbott is seeking a digital marketing specialist to join their team on a freelance basis. This remote position offers a competitive rate of $50 per hour and requires 3 to 5 years of experience in digital marketing. The ideal candidate will have a strong understanding of digital marketing strategies and tools, with experience in brand marketing and excellent communication skills. Now, let's talk about one global way to make money online and earn you, for example, approximately $2,500 per week. Many people are searching for opportunities to supplement their income, build their personal brand, or simply share their passions with a global audience. One of the most accessible and lucrative platforms available to anyone with an internet connection is YouTube. With over 2 billion active users monthly, YouTube provides endless possibilities for content creators to carve out their niche and start earning a living through ad revenue. Perhaps you've heard success stories of people who started with nothing but an idea and a camera, growing their channels into multi-million-dollar empires. These individuals aren't just rare exceptions. They are proof that, with dedication and the right strategy, anyone can achieve success on YouTube. Let's check out this one content creator who's killing it on YouTube. She's built a sweet little business from those ads popping up in her videos. Dash is a popular YouTuber because her videos are relatable, honest, and interesting. She talks about her experiences as a DoorDash driver, navigating the challenges of gig work, and shares funny, motivational, and engaging stories. This relatable content resonates with many viewers who can identify with her struggles and triumphs, and these things have helped her become successful on YouTube. And if you are still hesitant about starting your own YouTube channel, let's explore why this platform holds so much potential, particularly when it comes to ad revenue. Let's take a short look at the YouTube ad revenue. YouTube's partner program allows content creators to monetize their videos through ads, which are shown before, during, or after a video plays. Creators are paid based on the number of views and ad clicks. Here's a breakdown of how it works. CPM. Creators are paid per 1,000 views on their videos. CPM, cost per mila, varies depending on the niche, audience, and the advertiser's willingness to pay. For example, tech or finance niches tend to have higher CPMs because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach these viewers. Google AdSense. YouTube uses Google AdSense to serve ads. Creators get a 55% share of the ad revenue, with YouTube taking the remaining 45%. The more views and engagement your videos generate, the higher your earnings. Ad types. There are different types of ads, including skippable, non-skippable, display, and bumper ads. Skippable ads are most common, but non-skippable ads often pay more. It's important to note that to qualify for monetization, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. While this may seem like a high bar, with dedication and consistent content creation, it's entirely achievable. Just like Dash, you can earn approximately $2,500 weekly or more by consistently producing and sharing content. Now that you understand the basics of YouTube ad revenue, let's explore why starting a YouTube channel is one of the best decisions you can make. Why should you start your own YouTube channel? There is unlimited earning potential. The most compelling reason to start a YouTube channel is the potential for financial gain. Unlike traditional 9-to-5 jobs where your earnings are capped by an hourly wage or salary, YouTube allows you to scale your income as your channel grows. If your videos consistently gain views, your ad revenue will continue to accumulate. And once you've built your audience, you can explore other revenue streams, such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Even if you don't reach the top tier, earning a few $100 or $1,000 a month from ads can provide a substantial boost to your income. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or aim for a full-time career, YouTube offers limitless possibilities. You have creative freedom. Starting a YouTube channel offers a platform to express your creativity in ways that traditional jobs often don't. Whether you're passionate about gaming, fitness, cooking, fashion, or travel, you can create content that reflects your interests and personality. YouTube allows you to be your own boss, giving you control over what you produce when you post and how you engage with your audience. This freedom can be incredibly fulfilling, especially if you're tired of the constraints of a conventional job. You can explore various formats, such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or even documentary-style videos. Your creativity is your only limit. YouTube also rewards innovation. By staying authentic and experimenting with your content, you can attract a dedicated following that appreciates your uniqueness. This is one of the reasons creators like Dash thrived. She didn't conform to a rigid style, but instead brought her quirky, unpolished personality to the forefront, making her stand out in a crowded space. You can start building your personal brand. Personal branding is more important than ever. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or someone looking to stand out, YouTube is a great platform to build your personal brand. When people see your face and/or hear your voice regularly, they feel like they know you personally, which fosters a sense of trust and connection. A YouTube channel can also serve as a portfolio of your work. If you're in a field like marketing, design, or even tech, creating tutorials or informative videos can showcase your expertise and attract clients or job offers. By positioning yourself as an expert in your niche, you can leverage your YouTube presence to open doors in your career or business endeavors. You engage with a global audience. One of the most exciting aspects of starting a YouTube channel is the ability to connect with people from all over the world. YouTube's algorithm is designed to recommend your videos to viewers who are likely to enjoy your content, regardless of where they're located. As your audience grows, you'll find that you're able to impact people's lives on a global scale. Whether you're teaching someone a new skill, providing entertainment, or inspiring your viewers, the ability to reach people across borders is a powerful motivator. This global connection also opens the door to diverse collaborations and sponsorship opportunities, further increasing your earning potential. There is the possibility of a long-term passive income. One of the greatest benefits of YouTube is that once you upload a video, it has the potential to generate income for years to come. Even if you're not actively creating new content every day, your previous videos can continue to earn ad revenue as long as they're gaining views. This creates a form of passive income that can supplement your earnings or provide financial stability. For example, evergreen content like tutorials, how-tos, or informative videos often have a long lifespan because they remain relevant for years. Once your video gains traction, it can continue to generate income without requiring constant attention or updates. And that is why it is your time to shine. The barriers to entry for starting a YouTube channel are lower than ever. All you need is a smartphone, a camera, or just a mic, a passion, and the drive to create. With dedication and consistency, you can grow your channel, earn ad revenue, and build a personal brand that offers both financial independence and creative fulfillment. Take inspiration from creators like Dash, who started from humble beginnings and turned her passions into a thriving way of making a living. The opportunity is vast, and the only thing standing between you and your YouTube success is getting started. So why wait? Start your YouTube journey today and take the first step toward financial freedom and creative satisfaction. But if you rather stick to a regular remote job for now, then here is the last remote job option for you. Omni Retail Enterprises, a company that specializes in retail operations, is looking for a paid social media manager. This person will be responsible for managing the company's social media advertising campaigns. The salary is between $80,000 and $90,000 per year. The job is full-time and based in the United States. And that's all for today, people. Thanks for tuning in. For more ways to earn money online or discover global remote job opportunities, Explore the helpful tips and links in the description box below for other global remote job options, and start your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.